Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the inverted or flipped camera in OBS problem. So basically this morning I have launched OBS and I've been greeted with this screen. Obviously my face is upside down here in the left hand corner. This is not what it normally looks like for me when I open OBS and start recording videos. So what you can actually do is you can select your source. For me, I've got two sources in here, screen capture and then video capture device is my webcam. So basically what you have to do is select a source. For me, I'm going to be selecting the video capture device, but what you have to do is on a Windows device, you have to right click. On a Mac device, you have to press Control and left click and then go down to transform. And then down here in the middle of transform, you've got flip horizontal or flip vertical. And because my camera has completely inverted vertically, what we have to do is select flip vertical, and then that corrects the camera source. However, if you're looking to actually flip the camera horizontally, go back in, select the video capture device, control left click, transform, and then horizontal, and then that flips your camera horizontally. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.